It was a stormy morning with thunder and lightning and lighting up the sky across the Sound. Fox 13 Chief Meteorologist Brian McMillan and Fox 13 Meteorologist Abby Oconee explain how dry thunder gave us quite the show.
Hey, Chief Meteorologist Brian McMillan here alongside meteorologist Abby Oconee. Abby, we got some lightning this morning in western Washington.
Yes.
What happened?
It's so rare and uncommon for us to see morning thunder. Yes, we can see afternoon thunderstorms, but the timing was weird. So what went down? Why did this all happen? Well, we've had really warm air near the surface. We had an upper level low moving overhead. And as it does so, that cold air aloft and then the warmer air closer to the ground, it creates rising air. Think of like the hot pot of boiling water. All of that bubbling in the atmosphere creates the condensation, the clouds, and then those clouds, normal little cumulus clouds, in some cases became cumulonimbus, really tall, reaching higher in the atmosphere and creating lightning.
There you go. Yeah. And as far as lightning strikes here in western Washington, well, gosh, we don't get it like folks in the South do, right? Like Florida gets more lightning than anybody in the country. We get very little here in western Washington, but lightning is most common during the months of April through August. So summer months, a little more common than what we would see typically in the winter, where January and February, we've only had a handful of days with lightning over the past 30 years or so.
Yeah, and we normally have to watch out for those warm days followed by an incoming system like just what we had.
Exactly. So what's happening up in the sky is you get, ice and water droplets, crashing into each other. It's creating positively and negatively charged electrons. And once there's enough energy built up there, it can, eventually discharge and create lightning.
Yeah, and it was plentiful in some cases today, caused some issues down at SeaTac, and, many other neighborhoods in western Washington got torrential rain along with the lightning strikes. And this is the time of year where we get concerned about elevated fire danger.
Exactly. And by the way, thunder happens when you when the lightning strikes. It's about 50,000 degrees. That air around the lightning bolt expands really quick. That's the sound of thunder that you hear, is that air just really expanding fast. All right, let's take a look at this red flag warning. This was issued earlier this morning here through tonight. High fire danger for the west hills of the west foothills of the Cascades, and also for the Olympics. That means we're going to be keeping a close eye on that, not just today, but for the next few days, because these lightning strikes can cause wildfires that can kind of fester and simmer and smolder in these trees.
And the gusty, erratic winds, along with the thunderstorms, can fuel very erratic fire behavior, too.
All right. Remember, if you hear thunder, take cover.